Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to edit your profile on the Skype application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Now you should tap on the your profile picture or your name at the top of the screen. Then you should scroll down to the Manage section and click on the first option, Skype profile. Now, as you can see, there is this profile section in the middle of the screen, including your Skype name, your email address that you can edit by clicking on the edit button. Now at this personal information section you can type in your name, tell something about yourself by typing in your bio in the About Me section, then select your gender and type in your birthday. You can also add your location and your contact, your preferred language, and that's it. So if you want to change all these information, tap on the Save Changes button at the bottom of each section. As you can see, your profile has been updated. So basically that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.